Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. There's a saying that true character is revealed by the choices we make under pressure, and this is certainly true of this very uncertain time. Those of us in the electronics manufacturing industry are no different than anyone else facing this pandemic. We are not sure of what will happen next, but we are working together to find solutions. We are engineers and problem solvers after all, and it's in our nature to fix things. As we discover new ways to innovate, new ways to keep our employees safe and healthy, and ways to keep our businesses running smoothly, all these actions are allowing us to move forward. I'm privileged to be the CEO of IPC, where I have the opportunity to talk to members of the electronics manufacturing industry, a global industry that supports millions of jobs worldwide, contributing to nearly every sector of the global economy. On frequent calls with IPC members, we offer an open forum to attendees, a place where we can gather online to discuss the impact of COVID-19 on our global industry. We share operational and manufacturing challenges. We discuss how our industry can help meet the needs of healthcare workers and frontline workers, and we discuss how we can help one another. These calls and the various discussions I've had with other leaders in the industry have encouraged me in more ways than I could have imagined. It is gratifying to see the way we are coming together without competition, but with a desire for all of us to succeed in keeping our employees healthy, safe, and employed. While we're learning more about coronavirus every day and following the news very closely, we're also implementing innovations that will have benefits long beyond this crisis as we take the opportunity to learn from something so unprecedented. As crisis often does, this is bringing out the best in us as leaders, employees, innovators, and creators. There are so many stories of how the industry is coming together. A company in Illinois making free circuit boards for respirators, or a company in Wisconsin bringing together workers from other states to build ventilators. These stories, along with many others, inspire me as problem solving takes on global importance and engineers do what they do best: fix the things that are broken. Out of something catastrophic, we are striving to find the good, the possible, the best way forward for all of us. Our job as leaders in the industry has become enhanced and much more critical. We are communicating with our teams by balancing the realism of the situation with the optimism of what innovation may find in this crisis. We can explain to our staff that what we envisioned 6 months ago is no longer possible, but perhaps this crisis is opening to us opportunities that did not exist before. We're being tested as leaders, but we're also given a unique opportunity to change our processes, to not go back to the way things have always been. By being transparent and helping our teams to understand the situation facing us, we offer them the chance to exhibit leadership roles themselves, enhancing the work all of us do in problem solving. We don't have all the answers, but by working together on this enormous worldwide problem that touches us all, we are leveraging the talents we already have, providing clear communication, and hiring good people, listening to them, encouraging them, and then getting out of their way. Only time will tell if we are making the right decisions, but I'm optimistic. It is in our nature to take things apart and put them back together in a better way. We are now doing it on a grander scale with the safety and health of our staff paramount. For additional COVID-19 updates and to see how your peers are providing support, visit ipc.org/coronavirus. And as always, feel free to reach out to me personally for any issues, concerns, solutions you may have. Thank you.